What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one. All right, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? Me? You already know, chilling like always. How was you guys' New Year's? Good? All right, well, New Year's, new thing. Light. Now, the light, it ain't new, but, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen this light before, right? Y'all know what this is? We're gonna be doing this light right here. You know where this is going? What I asked you guys in the last video, if y'all want me to do the A-arm lights. Someone said yes, do the A-arm. All I needed was one yes, because I was gonna do it anyways, but got the A-arm lights coming for you. I think $15 A-arm lights, $15 light strip light from Amazon. Got a little module on there, it's 3 wires. You know what I'm saying? Something easy for the new year. Actually, how was your guys' New Year? Put in the comments. You know what I'm saying? You chill with a lot of family? See? Shouldn't be chilling with family. Should be at your house by yourself, alone, quarantining. You know what I'm saying? I know you Florida people was out there wilding, but all right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have the white running light with the blinker. You know what I'm saying? Something light for you. You know what I'm saying? $15, couple wire connectors, 3 wires we're gonna be tapping into. So what we're gonna do is, out the way, Normat. I found a couple wires right over here. I found a couple wires right over here down to the left of the A-arm on each side that we're gonna hook the wires to. So let me get this set up and we're gonna get to it. All right, guys, so put my light right, this is the light I'm gonna be putting on. So the one you guys seen in the other video from the mod company, you know what I'm saying? They got the 2. They got the one on the top, the one on the bottom. You can do this if you want with the 2, but for me, I have the fog light here, so the second strip really not gonna work for me. So I could probably go over that if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna like how that looks. So I'm gonna only do the 1 on the top. Some of you might wanna do that, some of you might wanna do the 2. If you wanna do the 2, if you want, when you wire it in, you could either have it just the running light on the bottom and then the brake light and the turn signal on the top, or you can have turn signals on the top and bottom if you wanna do it like that. Like I said, I'm gonna run the 1. So what I'm doing is, how I'm doing my light is, these are white lights, they're not black. So the ones you get from the mod company, you can, they're smoke, so they're a little less visible. So if you're gonna have them right in the front, you're gonna see this white thing here. You actually can buy a Plasti Dip tint. It's made for like tinting lights for cars. You can spray that on here. That's gonna put a tint on this and make it black. I'm probably gonna end up doing that. That's why I'm not gonna peel the sticky off, but I'm actually preferring them, how they feel, to wrap around the bottom here, so it's like a little less visible. If you look at the one I got right there, you still can see it, but it's just under a little bit instead of being directly on top of it. It's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So if I put that black, it'd be a little bit less visible. But so now, for now, I'm gonna zip tie it only, but when I do put the, peel the tape off and put the tape on there, I'm still gonna use zip ties as well. You know what I'm saying? This is just, but so the wires that I'm gonna be hooking into are in the back here. So, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the front of it from here, from the bottom. I'm gonna run the wire into the bike, and then we're gonna run it back that way. If you want, you could run it to this side and hook it up, but it's a little tighter in that area to do it there. So I'm gonna run it this way. I'm doing is I'm going right to the end of here, right to the end where the ball joint is, the upper ball joint. I'm going right to the end of where the weld is. That's gonna bring me right down. This is a 12-inch light strip. They come in different sizes. This light strip is cuttable. You can cut it at these lines. So if you want to make it shorter, but 12 inches is perfect. It's like 12 inches was made for this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like this thing's 12 inches long or something. Like, don't make no sense. I'm just so confused. Why is it so perfect? So Boom, right there. Got the light right there. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna run this through the inside here. And I'm gonna bring the wires out through the back side. Come through here. And feel free how to run it however you want if you're gonna do this. You can feel free, you can run it from this side, you can run it to that side. This is how I'm gonna run it. All right, so let me switch around to the other side, guys. Let me get you in a better view. Let's go. All right, guys, so down here on the side, so what I did was over here, I peeled back the wire, the tape off the wires. You got 5 wires down here, but the 2 ones in the twisted in here, you don't want to worry about those. Those are for going to be for your ABS, for your traction control, stuff like that. So you got 3 wires here. Hey, Normac, stop crying. So you got 3 wires here. You got your black wire, which is your ground wire. You got your orange and red wire, which is your running light wire, and you got your gray wire, which is your blinker wire. On the other side, the difference in the wires is the gray wire is gray and yellow. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have these 3 wires. I ran the wire after I zip tied it up. I ran the wire from the top and I ran it right through here. I got it coming down right through here. Keep it away from moving parts. You don't want to pinch it after you do this. And I'm gonna wire these 3 wires to there. So with the connectors I'm using, they're a little thick. I mean, well, the connection's a little bigger than the gauge of this wire. So what I did is I peeled it back. I spliced it a little bit and then I pulled it back like that. So when I put it in here, I make sure I get contact with the metal thing. So we'll start with the black wire. So we're gonna go this way. We're gonna put the black wire up here, up top a little bit here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to stagger the connectors going down so they're not like all lined up. So when we tape them up with the electrical tape, they don't all bunch up, you know? Gonna stick that in there. Then we're gonna take our needle noses. And we're gonna grab it nice and loose and then make sure we got this in there properly. And then we're gonna give it a little squeeze it there. All right, and then you got your little tab here. You're gonna flip this over. All right, so we got the ground done. So on these particular lights, the red wire is the running lights and the yellow light is the blinker. So we know the running light on here is red, so the red is red, red and red here. We're gonna put this down a little bit more, like so. And we're gonna slide the red one in there. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it with the pliers first, just so we're already set. And we're gonna slide the red one right in the bottom of here. Right in the bottom of there, all the way down. Shoot. All right, having a little technical difficulties with the red one. All right. See, what happened was when I was holding it a little bit with the pliers, like I said I was gonna do to be prepared, I squeezed it a little bit. But now I opened it back up. All right, so right now I have my ground wire done. I have my running light done. Now we're gonna go to the gray wire, which is our blinker. And then we're gonna put this one going this way like so, because we're gonna have this wire coming in from this side. So remember I crimped them back a little bit so we can get the make sure it touches. And we're gonna slide that right in there, all the way down in there, like so. Rub our needle noses. Make sure that's still in there. All right. Give it a little tug, make sure it's on there. Get the black wire out the way, flip over the little flap. And literally, I think we're done, guys. So what I gotta do left is electrical tape them up, but I think we're done. But we don't know if we're done until we test them. So let's test them out real quick. Let's give them a quick test. Let's go around to the front, take a look at these, see if they'll tell me if they're working. Is it on? I can't see. How about the blinker? The blinker working? Other side? All right, guys, so what do you see? You see, y'all see me put that on. Y'all see me doing the wire, which y'all see me like 5 minutes. I probably did that. That one's a quick, easy one. So I hope all you guys try this out. You know what I'm saying? Save your money. It's a pandemic. You know what I'm saying? We broke out here. You know what I'm saying? So save your money and try this mod out. It's a quick and easy one. If you want me to give y'all some of these so you can try it out, let me know, because I'll send y'all something. We'll do a giveaway. Saying we got a giveaway coming on that just passed, which was tonight. Actually, I'm making this video on New Year's Eve, so make sure y'all check out the website, KingJoffyJoe413.com. Got the shirts on there. We got the stickers on there. We got the banners on there. And to the next one, guys. Peace.